Good afternoon. I hope that your school holidays are going well. We are having a very quiet couple of weeks, which is nice in a way, but also it would be so nice to go somewhere warm, but it just wasn't on the cards. So I have just picked a cauliflower out of my garden, and I don't use sprays or anything to prevent slugs, and the slugs and the caterpillars have absolutely annihilated my brassicas. However, this one managed to get through, and I was so excited. There is nothing more satisfying than picking a cauliflower or a broccoli out of your garden. Just any fresh produce at that. But this has got quite a few brown, I'd gather it's from the slugs, or I don't know what it is, but veggies are far too precious to be throwing out. Not that I would ever consider it, but my kids wouldn't eat it. Normally we have it steamed. My kids, there's no way they wouldn't eat this. I'd like, oh, that's brown. So I'm going to talk you through how to make roasted cauliflower. So I haven't introduced myself. My name is Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm about empowering healthy living. And this is, I don't know if it's the same for you, but often I do just end up steaming broccoli and cauliflower. It's really nice and crunchy. I get to the, ready to put the meal on the table, and I'm like, oh, what veggies, what can I do quickly? And that's what it ends up being. So this is loved by our family, and it's really nice, and it's warm, and it's crunchy. So all I've got here is some, you can use broccoli as well, but I've just got cauliflower florets, and I'm just going to drizzle over a little bit of oil. The recipe will come out in my email tomorrow. So if you want the recipe and you're not already on my email list, head to wickedwellbeing.com/new. I will put it in the comments box below. I'm sprinkling over some turmeric because I just love turmeric. It gives it a little bit of color, disguises the brown bits. Now, for turmeric, which is the curcumin, is the anti-inflammatory health benefits, you need black pepper to be able to absorb those health benefits into your body. So I'm doing a good grinding of black pepper and a little bit of salt. Tell me if you are watching, you probably do this anyway. Do you make roasted cauliflower, or is this something that you haven't made yet and you're quite keen to give it a go? Now I've got some finely grated Parmesan. Get it out, Wick, Parmesan. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that over the top. If you are dairy free, then just use nutritional yeast flakes. So good. And then I'm going to finish off with some paprika. This is smoked paprika to give that lovely, lovely flavor. You can either just put it in and turn it over, or you can just add that paprika on the top when you put it into the oven. So easy, but yet just absolutely delicious. And just like the Parmesan, I've just tossed it all over. The Parmesan cheese really crunches up. If you have bigger flakes, then it's really, really crunchy. And then I'm going to put that in the oven. I'm going to leave this until dinner time and put that in the oven at 180 and cook it for around 20 minutes. And then just turn it over and do it about another 10 minutes, and you'll see when it's nice and crunchy. So tell me, if you are watching this, do you make roasted cauliflower? Is it something that is on the cards, or a frequent in your kitchen, or is this something that you haven't tried before? Now, if you want to eat healthier, but you just don't know where to start, I have created a brand new ebook, What Should I Eat? Your guide to being nourished and satisfied just from the food that you eat. And I talk about the different food groups, how important it is to include all different food groups to keep you sustained and satisfied. There's a pick and mix guide where you can choose from the different food groups and how much protein we should be having, how much carbohydrates, how much healthy fats and vegetables and fruit. So all of that I've put into an ebook. If that appeals to you, then head to wickedwellbeing.com/eat. I've put the link in the box in the description above. grab that and it'll get emailed directly to you, and print that off. And just, I had someone say the other day who has been following me for a while, and she was just like, that was just gold. That is so simple, that's what I can do. And she's like, it's been a game changer. So if you haven't got that ebook, wickedwellbeing.com/eat, okay, and grab that, print it off, and just they're the principles that I follow every single day. All right, thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you here tomorrow at 12:30 for Thermomix Thursday. Okay, have a fantastic rest of your school holidays, and sing out if you've got any questions. See you soon. Bye.